All right, so today we are here at 8345 Friar Bridge Drive in Duluth, Georgia, conducting this repair test on this Windcrease shingle. As you can see, the witness to the repair is Kirill Harboul with Transcend Roofing Systems. Conducting the repair is Gary Yakimochi, General Manager of Transcend Roofing Systems. Let's begin. So you want to record at an angle down here. Perfect. So we can see. We're going to begin this repair by getting rid of all the adhesive down below. Making sure the shingles are no longer attached to the roof. And you can see this roof is already pretty impacted. Actually, I did the wrong calculations here. So these will also be impacted, by the way. This whole entire roof is loose. An overdriven nail. We see these way too much nowadays. Oh my God. There's one nail. Yeah, the overdriven nails are what's gonna cause probably the most disturbance to the roof, to be honest with you, because this is simply unacceptable. Oh, this nail's okay. That'll do. And then one more overdriven nail right here. See where this nail is. Got it. To the foam. All right. You can see the shingle is experiencing a lot of damage. So yeah, for the sake of this video, we're gonna be replacing this shingle with the same exact shingle because the video says to do so. And the whole purpose of this video is to show that this roof cannot sustain a repair. So I'm just gonna slide it back right into its original spot. You can already see some creasing. Slight creasing. This is a 20-year-old roof, guys. Please keep that into consideration when we do this repair. And just nail it down properly. Oh, buns. Different. A few more. Oh my God. Three more nails, guys. Be patient with me, please. Last one right here. All right, we just conducted the repair test here. Oh, shoot. As you can see at the aftermath, this was the original wind crease shingle. Shingle right above it is wind creased and damaged. This is damaged as well. This is damaged as well. This one's damaged as well. 6 actually did a fair job. I'm not gonna lie, but you can see some minor cracking all throughout the shingle. 7 took a big hit. So please take it into consideration. This is a 20-year-old roof. Cannot sustain a repair. This has been Gary Yakamochi, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.